Hi everyone, this is Ryan Largo from Ryan's Travel Adventure YouTube channel. I would like to say thank you everyone for subscribing and following my YouTube channel. Today is a special day. I'm here with the only one, Andrew E.
Thank you. And of course, the only one also, Ryan Largo. Been friends with him
30 years.
ever since he was 16 years old.
Yeah, I was 16. I was a shy boy before, but now I'm not shy no more.
Nung nakatira ako sa Milpitas, I met him there.
Yeah. It's been,
So, yeah.
It's been 30 years.
Yes.
One question, Andrew.
Yeah.
What is your favorite Filipino food?
Of course, siyempre, pancit bihon or pancit canton, either of the two. Pero siyempre, yan talaga ang ano ko. And then on the side, maybe maybe chicken lumpia.
Chicken lumpia?
Yeah. And another on the side would be, of course, Bicolano ko, so laing.
Laing. There you go, guys. You got it. Laing. So next time, Andrew, if you come back here, let's eat together.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Is that after 30 years again?
Hindi. Tomorrow.
So there you go, guys. And then I would like to say thank you to Andrew A for having me here.
Thank you, no. Isang ano mo lang, isang sabi mo lang.
And he has a concert coming on the Ball Theater
Yeah.
this Saturday, right?
This Saturday,
Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday. Sorry.
So don't miss it before it gets sold out. So bili na kayo ng ticket. Ayan.
Yeah.
Check out
And that will be, of course, San Leandro, di ba? August 23, mga kaibigan. Sunday, just to be sure na, okay? Just to be sure. Sa Historic Ball Theater. And ticket prices, meron kaming VIP with photo ops at saka yung general ad namin, nasa poster namin. All you have to do is relate to the food adventures of Ryan Largo at makikita niyo yung poster namin, okay? Pero in any other case, you can contact, of course, LV and Edwina, Yolicel, at lalong-lalo na sa aming producer, the one and only Miss Tita Lerma Gailes.
There you go. Thank you, Tita
Miss.
Lerma. So maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat and mabuhay ka, Andrew.
Yes, salamat po.
And more power to you.
Thank you, and at the same time to you and your channel. Good vibes and good luck. And at the same time, nandito po kami nakarating, coming from the auspices and of course the effort of Per Se Enterprises. Kasama ko rin dito, siyempre, Joti, kasama ko Six Thread, mga kaibigan, of 3 digits, and of course, from Jensen, all the way from Jensen, Buds and Troy, kasama ko. And napakarami pang iba, lalo-lalo na ang aming director, ng musical director Alvin Carabello of It's Showtime in the Philippines, and siyempre pa from Broad Live USA, Erlora.
Thank you. Andrew, maraming salamat.
Yes,
Thank you. I'll see you again.
Yes,
Okay, thank
we
you.
will. Thank you sa gift, Thank you sa gift.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Let me put on screen si Six Red.
Come here.
Ayan.
Galing na namin mag-jogging exercise. But yeah, yun, gusto lang namin imbitahin ang mga, syempre, kababayan natin dito. We have the time. On 23rd, this coming Sunday, sa Historic Ball Theater. Yun yung nasa posters. You can check out the posters as well. Para sa event yun nga, together with, of course, the one and only Kuya, the legendary Hari ng Tagalog Rap, Andrew E. At Kuya Joti, andyan din, of Salbakuta, at of course, ang inyong lingkod, Six Thread, ng 3 digits, at all the way from Davao nga pala, sa mga tropang taga Davao dyan, Mindanao, mga Bisaya na dyan, ng mga Igala, kita-kits tayo dyan. And of course, ang Buds and Proy, na mula din dyan, San Kapwa, Bisaya din yun. Kita-kits tayo.
Para maka-join din ng Buds and Proy, exchange gift tayo ng camera.
Yeah.
Exchange gift.
Yeah.
Yan. So,
What's up mga kababayan namin dito sa California, and ayan, kita-kits tayo sa show, syempre, Hari ng Tagalog Rap.
Salamat po. Thank you.
Kita-kits tayo mga kababayan sa Leandro, sa Historic Ball Theater.
Yeah. August 23, Sunday.
Buds and Roy, ako sa Buds, siyempre
Roy.
Kuya Joti.
Yeah, Joti. And 4D tulog pa.
Yeah, MC Ward as well.
Yeah,
Tulog
and
pa.
40 syempre, kasama rin namin.
There you go guys, you got it. So maraming salamat po sa inyo
Salamat sa iyo, Ryan Largo.
And mabuhay tayong lahat mga Pilipino. Okay, mabuhay. Thank you.
Ryan Largo's Food Adventure, don't you never
Yes,
forget.
yeah.
Subscribe lang kayo mga kaibigan. Napakabait na tao. He's my friend.
Thank you, Andrew.
Salamat.
Thank you, thank you. It's gonna be hella fun yun. Shouts nga pala kay Tita Lerma at First
Tita Lerma,
Enterprises.
sir.
Thank you.
Tama ba yung sinabi ko? Miss Tita Lerma?
Yes,
Hey.
Tita Lerma.
Kita-kits!